I think I found it. I think this is the one. For those of you who want to move to Lakewood Ranch and live in Lakewood Ranch, but you don't want to spend $1 million bucks, this just might be the place. Let me show you this cool townhome. Right now, as I'm recording this video, Jessica and I are in the market to buy a home. So I know firsthand just how expensive Lakewood Ranch could be. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you something that I think could be a great option for you. Townhomes in the $200,000 range. You heard me right, $200,000 for a brand new townhome. Now, before you scroll away, you don't have to buy your forever home, man. This might be a great option, and it's much bigger than you thought. Let's go inside, let's go check it out.
Hey everyone, today we are in Aurora here in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. So here at Aurora and Lakewood Ranch, there is a combination of single family homes and townhomes. These are mostly townhomes in here with 2 models. So both of these models are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. They range from 1,300 square feet to just under 2,400 square feet, depending on if you're getting a townhome or the single family home. So if you're looking for your first home, or if you need to upgrade or downsize, Aurora has many options when it comes to affordable houses. So if you're looking for homes that are under $400,000 and maybe even under $300,000, Aurora has them right now. So this Bennett model is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, and it's 1,347 square feet. So these townhomes, including this Bennett model, are 2 stories. Now you have your 3 bedrooms upstairs and your main living area downstairs to include your garage. Now these homes do come with a washer and dryer. These are Frigidaire brand, and they are located downstairs right off the kitchen. Now you can hide this by closing your accordion doors. Okay, so in these homes, they do have these stainless steel General Electric GE products here: dishwasher, stove, microwave, and the refrigerator. So the HOA fees here at Aurora cover, of course, the common areas, the community pool, the exterior maintenance, exterior insurance that includes the roof, and also it covers an internet bundle. So of course in Lakewood Ranch you do have a CDD fee. Now that's the Community Development District fee. So that's going to be included in your property taxes as well. That covers things like infrastructure, roadways, and common areas in Lakewood Ranch. Aurora has a total of 247 units available. These are built by Lennar. There are about 80 home sites left, and we talked about that earlier in one of my videos, so go check that out. And they also have one single family home that has come back on the market, so you need to check that out if it's still available. So when you purchase a Lennar home, basically what you see is what you get. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. You don't have to go to a design center. You're gonna visit the model home and talk with the salesperson after you talk with me about what's gonna be included in your home. So as you know, I work exclusively with buyers. That means I can help you purchase a new construction home. So if you're visiting Lakewood Ranch and you might go to the visitor center, don't forget to include me as your exclusive buyer's agent. And also, if you stop by the sales center, we love the salespeople. However, they represent the builder and I can represent you. Now, the great thing about using me as your exclusive buyer's agent is you don't have to come out of pocket to pay my fee. The builder, which is Lennar, at the time of this video, is paying my fee to represent you. So don't forget to sign me up, Jessica Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group here in Lakewood Ranch, to be your exclusive buyer's agent. So let's go check out the rest of the community and the pool.
So if you have any questions at all about these townhomes for sale in Aurora or any homes for sale in Lakewood Ranch, our contact information is down below. Reach out to us anytime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stick around and watch that video. We'll see you next time, everyone.